Join me as I take on the challenge of transforming my garden with some stunning trellis ideas. Let's see how much I can revamp it in just one day. In this video, we'll be showcasing stunning trellis ideas that can instantly revamp your garden, making it not only more beautiful but also more functional. Many gardeners struggle with limited space and overcrowding, making it difficult to grow a variety of plants while maintaining an appealing garden aesthetic. One of the most common issues is not having enough room for all the plants we want to grow, leading to a cluttered and unsightly garden. This is especially true for those of us living in urban areas with small backyards. Despite our best efforts, our gardens can start to feel cramped and chaotic, making it hard to fully enjoy the outdoors. Another problem is that overcrowding can lead to disease and pest issues, as well as reduced growth and productivity. By addressing these issues, we can create a more peaceful and thriving outdoor space. Furthermore, a well-designed trellis system can also help to create a sense of privacy and separation within the garden, making it feel more intimate and inviting. We'll discuss various trellis styles, materials, and creative designs that can complement your garden while providing support for climbing plants, flowers, and vegetables. From traditional wooden trellises to modern metal and bamboo options, we'll explore the pros and cons of each material and help you decide which one is right for your garden. We'll also delve into different design styles, such as obelisks, arbors, and pergolas, and show you how to incorporate them into your outdoor space. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and inspiration you need to create a stunning trellis system that will take your garden to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these ideas will help you make the most of your outdoor space and create a beautiful, thriving garden that you'll love spending time in. With a little creativity and imagination, the possibilities are endless, and we can't wait to see what you come up with. Stay tuned as we reveal the most inspiring trellis transformation that turned a dull backyard into a lush, vertical paradise that everyone will envy. This incredible makeover showcases the power of trellises in transforming an ordinary garden into an extraordinary one. With a few simple materials and some clever design ideas, this garden was transformed from a lackluster lawn to a vibrant, thriving oasis. We'll take a closer look at the design elements that made this transformation possible and give you tips on how to replicate the look in your own garden. So, if you're ready to take your garden to the next level and create a stunning outdoor space that you'll love spending time in, keep watching as we dive deeper into the world of trellises. To recap, trellises offer a wonderful solution to expand your garden space,